In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a listing on Etsy. If a product has expired, been paused, or you've turned it off and now want it back in your shop, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening a fresh browser window. In the search bar, type Etsy and press Enter. This helps you start from a clean session. When the results appear, click the official Etsy link. Before you proceed, glance at the address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate Etsy.com domain for security and peace of mind. Once the homepage loads, log into your account. Use the same shop owner credentials you set up for selling. If you've enabled extra verification, complete that step as prompted. After you're signed in, open the account menu and choose Account Settings. From here, you'll move into your Shop Manager, which is the central dashboard for everything related to your store. If you manage more than one shop, double-check that you're working in the correct one. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand side and click Listings. This is where all of your products live, including active, inactive, and expired items. Give the page a moment to load. Large inventories may take a few seconds. Find the listing you want to bring back. If it's currently inactive or expired, it will appear with that status. Click directly on the listing to open its details. This lets you confirm you've selected the right product before reactivating it. In the Listings action area, click the gear icon. That gear opens the menu of available actions for this item. From that menu, choose Activate. Etsy will display a pop-up explaining the terms for reactivating the listing. Read this carefully. Reactivating typically triggers a standard listing renewal fee and will reset the listing's visibility period. When you're comfortable with the terms, click Activate again to confirm. After you confirm, the listing should update to an active status. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or revisit the listing section to confirm it's live. Keep in mind that while it becomes active right away in your dashboard, it can take a short time to propagate across search results. That's it. Your product is live again and ready for shoppers. If you run into any unexpected messages during activation, review the notice in the pop-up and follow Etsy's guidance. And remember, keeping your listings up to date and active helps maintain momentum in search and customer interest. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.